Hey my happy shining friends, today I'll draw Bluey making an angry pose, with her tiny paws on her hips and a grumpy little face. As the drawing slowly appears, I'll tell you a story about Bluey learning to stay calm. Before we begin, can you press the like button like giving Bluey a little cheer up pat? That will help her feel better and turn her frown into a smile. The sun shines warm and bright. The day feels just right. Bluey and Bingo are playing blocks, stacking them high with delight. Bingo hums a tune. Her eyes sparkle with joy. Bluey smiles proudly. This will be our biggest toy. They build a tall tower. Each block stands strong. But then the tower wobbles, and something goes wrong. Crash. The blocks tumble, scattering to the floor.
Bluey gasps loudly. No.
Not my tower anymore. Can you make a grumpy face too? Cross your arms like Bluey does. Now shake your shoulders gently. Let's calm that fuss. Bingo looks worried. It's okay, Bluey. We can fix it again. But Bluey stomps her paw. No, I don't want to. This is such a pain. Her eyebrows lower. Her tail flicks side to side. Bandit hears the noise and walks over from inside. What's going on here? He asks with a smile. Bluey sighs loudly. It's broken. I worked hard all the while. Bandit nods softly. It's okay to feel upset. Bluey sniffs quietly. I just don't want to forget. Dad sits beside her. Big feelings can come fast, but they don't have to stay, he says. They never last. Can you take a deep breath with Bluey? In through your nose, then out slow. Let's help those grumpy clouds float away and go. Bluey closes her eyes. She breathes just like Dad said. The anger fades gently, like wind brushing her head. Bingo smiles softly. See, Bluey, you're calm again. Bluey opens her eyes. Yeah, I'm not mad now, friend. They rebuild the tower, this time slow and steady. Bluey says proudly, it's taller now, ready. Bandit claps his paws. Great teamwork, my girls. Mum walks in smiling. Look at those creative twirls. Bluey laughs brightly. Being calm feels nice. Bingo nods happily. Anger melts like ice. Can you stretch your arms wide? Give yourself a big hug tight. That's how we keep our hearts warm and bright. Bluey waves her paw. Thanks for cheering me through. Bingo giggles gently. That's what sisters do. Bluey smiles softly. I'm proud of me today. Bingo jumps joyfully. We found our happy way. The sisters dance together, their worries all gone. Bluey whispers calmly. Tomorrow we'll build another one.